Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Sharepoint site URL and the exact library path. This prevents broken links later. Next, make sure you have at least read permission for the site, because Power BI reads files using your credentials. Once done, decide whether you'll point to a single file or the entire folder for incremental refresh. This affects performance and refresh costs. Finally, choose an authentication method, OAuth for corporate tenants, so Power BI can connect reliably and securely. Open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data, then SharePoint Folder or SharePoint Online List for lists. This method discovers files and metadata automatically. Enter the SharePoint site URL, not the file URL, and sign in with your organizational account. This ensures token-based access. Once connected, use Power Query to filter rows, combine matching files, and set column types. This step shapes the data and reduces model size. Make sure to promote headers and remove unnecessary columns before loading. After shaping, publish the report to a Power BI workspace and open the dataset settings in the service to configure credentials. Select OAuth or the appropriate gateway. If your SharePoint is on-premises, install and configure an on-premises data gateway and map it to the dataset. Once scheduled refresh runs, monitor refresh history for errors. If things go wrong, first verify the exact site URL and file path, then re-authenticate. Also check tenant conditional access and firewall rules that may block Power BI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.